Welcome to episode 2 of Price Action Trading series from Market Secrets. In this episode, we are going to learn how to approach price action trading. As mentioned in the first episode, this episode is only about trading psychology on how to approach price action trading. So, let's begin. Wherever focus goes, energy flows. When you focus on something continuously for a long period of time, something magical happens. You start getting insights. You're not going to blame others for any mistakes. You won't give any more excuses. You're going to see trading and life as a great adventure, as an opportunity to really reach inside of you and say how good of a trader you are going to be in a few years' time. I believe you will progress in your trading much faster by starting at episode 1 and working straight through the final episode. Get into your own bubble for as long as it takes to complete the episodes in great detail. Once you have done it, repeat this whole process. And after that is done, repeat it once more. Do not try to keep abreast of the latest trade setups and forget what trades I am taking on a daily basis until you fully comprehend all the rules. It will otherwise only distract you. You'll be caught in a never-ending loop of trying to keep up to the pace, but without a strong foundation on the rules and the trade setups. While it is only natural wanting to do as many things as possible to learn, it is quality over quantity that makes the difference. Go at your own pace and learn the episodes in chunks. Lock yourself away in your own little world until you have absolute clarity and knowledge about each rule of the strategy and become an expert on where no doubt exists. Once you are at this stage in your learning, you will reel the pack in very quickly and soon the pack will turn to you for advice. Note any questions you have and ask it in the comment section so that the others who have similar questions can get the answers easily. See each lesson as a unique subject matter. Create your own exercises for each lesson and upload them in Google Drive and share the link in the comment section of the corresponding videos so that we can evaluate and help you to verify whether you understand the course set of rules correctly. Believe me, it will help you a lot. And one more important note, you have to work on your patience and wait. Otherwise, you'll be blowing up your account very fast. Create and use a professional attitude and mindset. Do not take any advanced or counter trend setups if you have not been profitable for 12 months in a row. Until then, stick to the basic setups. These rules have been created over a long period of time. They are based on thousands of samples, not just a few. These rules will give you an edge based on probabilities over a long period of time and a big number of samples. The fact that you see a few or a bunch of scenarios working when you are expecting a price to retrace means absolutely nothing in a huge sample. If you visit a casino and bet 10,000 rupees every time, there will be a high chance you will mostly lose all your money. Why? Because the casino has an edge over you. Odds are set up in the favor of casinos. Likewise, when you take some trades which are against the rules, but it works and gives you the profit, you are only taking a few samples into account. You should take into consideration a big sample of sample scenarios. So, stick to the rules. If you take one setup based on this set of rules, the odds may not be on your side. You might even lose your first trade. If you take 10 trades, you could have few winners if the market conditions are very bullish or bearish, and you might think everything seems to work. But if the next 2-3 trades fail, you'll be fearful again. So the first step is to believe in the rules. The rules are made for all kind of scenarios, not just a clear bullish or bearish trend. So first believe it and then follow it. Let's see the difference between trading and gambling. Trading is not gambling. Gambling is not trading. There are aspects of trading and gambling that relate with each other, and there are some important things we can learn from expert gamblers. Why are we interested in learning how to trade supply and demand? Why do we have to make a trade plan? Why do we have to follow a set of rules to trade? The answer to all of this is to have an edge. To be able to identify the buy and sell signals in the market and execute the trades systematically to enable consistent results in our trading. To be more precise, having an edge means having probability on our side. Notice the word probability. It is very important to understand that no edge can give us guaranteed success. It can help only with probability. The trader's edge is to think in probabilities, and to understand this, it is best to look at the gambling industry. The gambling industry is based on probabilities, with an edge in the favor of operators. Have you ever wondered how it is possible that the biggest and shiniest hotels are in Las Vegas? It is the casino that provides the profit to make these dream hotels come true. Not only do they want you to live there, so they have you close, but they also provide you with the free drinks so that you do not leave the constant lure of gambling possibilities. Let's look at roulette wheel. It consists of pockets with numbers from 1 to 36 and a 0. 18 pockets are in black, 18 pockets are in red, and the 0 will be in green. If you bet on red, it is not a 50-50 chance to win. Actually, it is additional 2.7% edge that casino has over you, because if 0 falls, the casino wins as well. So in fact, your chance to win is 47.3 against 52.7, and hence the casino has the edge. Is the casino concerned when you win against the odds $1 million? No, because the casino knows that after thousands of spins, the casino makes the money back and some more. It has the edge over you and all the gamblers. Like expert gamblers and casinos, the best traders think of trading as a numbers game and trade probabilities to produce consistent results. The word probability suggests inconsistency, but it can produce consistent results over a large sample of trades if the edge is good enough and if it is applied consistently, with just as the example of the casino. So, the takeaway from this episode is to take it slow. Everything will happen automatically as we have an edge over the market in the form of price action. Also, before we begin technicals, I reiterate this. Read or watch the episodes several times. Take your time. Do not rush. Each time you read or watch a lesson, you will learn and discover something new. So, now gear up and get ready. Technical starts from next episode. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Goodbye.